Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got a couple of paintings to share with you today from GBFKE. I have noticed recently that there's definitely a lot more sort of large earth paintings available. They still of course have a lot of smaller ones, but there are quite a few options now for something bigger. So we'll start with the one that we can see. If I could just stop you sticking. There we go. So this is one of the ones that I picked. Oh, excuse me. Am I going to sneeze again? Oh, yes. Okay, got that out of my system. So this one is a 40 by 50, and this is the size that I seem to see coming about a bit more. It's like a bit of an aurora. I'm not sure if you can see clearly, but I like the colours and stuff in it. What I also liked is the fact that this is a square painting, which is nice to change things up. Where's my tape measure? Here we go. So while it's a 40 by 50, the actual canvas is more about 44 by 34. So it has got a little bit of a border. It does come with a standard toolkit, boat wax and pen, and these are the colours. I'm not sure if you can see them. You see them clear enough? Maybe not. Let's open it up. Now, it has 23 colours, but I must say they do not have DMC numbers. They don't have them on the packets, and they don't have them on the canvas, so you will need to bear that in mind. There is, of course, a lot of blue, but I like blue, so that's okay. We have some pops of colour there as well. Try and keep it half folded up into the same sort of way. We've got some more blue. We've got what looks like 939 before we've got some more dark blue. And of course some lighter shades of blue. So there is a few blues that we've got sort of packets of, but then with multiple packets of, but then we've got some nice pops of colour that will just make the image pop that little bit more. And yeah, it's a square one, so I do like to work on a square painting as well for a change. I'll fight with getting that back into the packet in a minute. But yeah, I'd probably start this one this side, maybe do sort of, you know, more of the blue, and then maybe come up from the bottom and have those nice little pops of colour and reflection. But yeah, there's definitely a lot more options for bigger paintings that I have seen coming out. Oh, scissors. I need scissors for this one. Luckily I have a pegboard to the right of me, a bit behind me, but to the right. And it's fantastic for just grabbing things like scissors. There's about 8 pairs on there. Well, maybe that's an extreme, there's 4. But at least when they go missing, I've got another one. And this is another 40 by 50. And this looks to be by the same sort of manufacturer, though this one has given me 2 toolkits with a boat wax and a pen. They're packaged different, but this one doesn't have DMC numbers either, though it is a square. And look at the colours on that one. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? This one, size-wise, is 34 by just under 44, so it's the same sort of border size, but oh, that looks amazing. Let's see if we've got what is probably going to look like 310, maybe, I'm thinking. I'm trying to work out what sort of colours. Oh, it might not be. because ooh, even though they don't have DMC numbers, quite often I do find that the companies still use them. So the two dark colours here are the symbol 1 and the symbol T. Now the symbol 1 is the first symbol that they have, and it's looking like a dark purple. Yeah, so it's looking like a dark purple, which makes me think that's 154. And this only comes from diamond painting for far too long. But then the other symbol that's a T is quite a way down the thing, which makes me think it's a 939. But anyway, these are the colours that are in it. So there's a lot more pops of colour in this one. We've got greens as well as purples and reds, yellow as well as the blue. Few different blues there, but they are different, they're not multiples. And then we've got some pinks and blues. And then, yeah, this is the T, number 19. That looks like 939 to me. Might be hard to pick up on camera, but it's definitely got a blue tinge. So I think, is that number 19 as well? That is. So that's the second packet of it. And then we've got oranges, pinks, yellows, browns and purples. So I actually think this one doesn't have any 310s in it. I think that is 939 and 154. I'd have to, of course, compare it to other colours to be sure, but based on diamond painting for so long, that's my analysis. But I will pop the links to both of these down below. Thank you so much to GBFKE for sending them me. It will be really nice to work on some of these as a square. But we have one, oh, I've got packaging sticking to it, that's like an aurora and then space. Earth and space in bright colours. I think I'm swaying towards this one though, just because it's got so many really nice colours. I mean, this has got a lot of blue and I do like blue, but that one certainly pops. Anyway, I will put the links down below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon.